Hello, my dear students. This is P. Venkateswarlu, PGT Physics, the Nandal Public School. Welcome to online classes. Today I will discuss about basic maths used in physics. So this content is very important for those who are preparing NEET, JEE, and other competitive exams, and very important for plus one. Students, welcome to online plus one physics class. Coming to basic maths used in physics. Basic basic maths used used in physics. In physics means tools of physics. Coming to basic maths used in physics, mathematics is a supporting tool of physics. The elementary knowledge, basic mathematics is useful in problem solving in physics. In this chapter, we study elementary algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, and calculus. In calculus, we can have differentiation and integration. Okay, means so if we know mathematical operation, mathematical formulas, we have to solve problems in physics easily. So without mathematics, we can't understand the concept of physics. Elementary algebra. Elementary algebra. Elementary algebra. An algebraic equation of second order is called a quadratic equation. An algebraic equation of second order is called a quadratic equation. The equation, say it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this equation, a is not equal to 0. The condition is a is not equal to 0. The equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is general form of quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. The general solution of above equation, the general solution for this equation is, we can say, x1 x2 or alpha beta. Okay, so here x is equal to general solution. Solution of this equation minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a 2a. The solution of the quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a 2a. If values of x be x1 and x2, then okay, so if here plus minus is there, if plus you can take x1, if minus you can take x2, say alpha beta like that. Okay, say if x1 is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, then x2 becomes minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a 2a. Okay. Here x and x1 and x2 are called roots of equation 1. So this we can say roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can easily see that sum of roots sum of roots sum of roots is equal to x1 plus x2 is equal to x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b by a minus b by a. Next, product of roots. Product of roots. Product of roots. x1 into x2 is equal to c by a. x1 into x2 is equal to c by a. Okay, so if while solving physics problems or getting derivation, final equation, so if we can get this type of equation, say it is quadratic equation. Example ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. How we can solve? How we can solve second order equations like quadratic equation? Okay, so by using this elementary algebra, we can find x value. Okay, so we can get the sum of roots and product of roots. Okay, my dear children. Okay, remaining content I will post in YouTube below the description. From that, you have to download. Okay, my dear students, it is impossible to write all formulas on the board to copy from the board to your notebook. So I will send one soft copy. From that you can copy main formulas. Okay. So I also highlighted what are the formulas you can copy from this PDF to your notebook. Okay, see I already explained quadratic expression, its solution. Okay, very important one. Coming to, so this Roman number 2 binomial theorem, this formula 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx. Very important one. At the same time, you can write whatever I said now, another formula 1 minus x whole power n is equal to 1 minus nx. 1 minus nx. Basic formula that is. Next, so in description you can download easily this PDF file. Coming to logarithms, standard formula for logarithms: log e mn, log mn, log m plus log n, log m by n, log m minus log n, log m power n is equal to n into log m. Okay, we know that log n is equal to log e n is equal to 2.3026 log 10 n. We can by pronouncing log n base e is equal to 2.3026 log n base 10, which is approximately 2.303 log n base 10. Okay, these are the example. This basic mathematics is very important for understanding physics, trigonometry. The ratios are important. From the right angle triangle, how we can write cos theta, sin theta,
and etc. That is based on the angle theta is equal to length of the arc AB by radius of the circle. Okay, from this we can measure the angle in a circle. So here they given sexagesimal system and circular system. So in this one right angle is equal to 90 degrees, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, two right angles, one right angle is equal to pi by 2 radiation. Note this and draw this diagram also. Okay, 1 radian is equal to 57.27 degrees. Very, very important one. Trigonometric ratios. So, from the diagram, from this diagram, so we can get sine theta. Sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse, like that. Cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. From this diagram we have to write like this: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Here important relations is there. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and at last sixth one, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Note it in your notebook. Signs of trigonometric. So we know that all silver teacups in previous classes. Okay, and this table also very, very important one. So at least you will learn up to 90 degrees. And for MPC and MBPC, you will learn this content again in your mathematics subject. Some of the important trigonometric formula you can write: first formula, second formula, third formula, fourth formula, fifth formula, ninth formula, 13th formula, and coming to differentiation, very, very important one. Differentiation, y is equal to c is equal to constant, dy dx of some constant is equal to 0 means dy dx is equal to 0, because y is equal to c. D by dx of c is equal to 0. Next, y is equal to x power n, dy dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Next, y is equal to cu, c is constant, dy dx is equal to c into du by dx. Coming to fifth formula, write down fifth, sixth, seventh, and differential coefficient of trigonometric function. Write down first one and second one. Coming to differential coefficient of logarithmic and exponential function. First one, d by dx of log x base e is equal to 1 by x log e base e, that is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so fourth one, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x log e base e, that is equal to e power x. Log e base e is equal to 1, we know that. Coming to at last we can get fundamental formulas of integration. Last formula, write down first one, integration of dx is equal to x, integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that symbol is there, s type, so that we can say integration. Third one, x power minus 1 dx is equal to log x base e. Fourth one, integration of e power x dx is equal to e power x. Seventh one, integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. Eighth one, integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Okay, so my dear children, okay, so at least you will learn. So what are the formulas? I already highlighted in the given color. Okay, my dear students. So every student, whether the student belongs to MPC, BIPC or MBIPC, so at least these highlighted formulas or you will learn, you must learn for understanding physics. So if you know this formulas, uh, to understand physics, uh, to solve problems in physics, very easy. Okay, so we know that uh, most of the students, suppose your brothers, your sisters, uh, they already said to you, I think. So physics is very tough, so it is impossible to get good score in physics in NEET JEE exam. Okay, so I think they don't know this type of formulas. Okay, so if if you know this type of formulas, we can solve easily whatever the problems given in NEET exam and JEE exam. Okay, so and at last, what I said, what I want to say to you, first you will write whatever I highlighted in this paper, PDF soft copy. Okay, so when in which topic and or in which problem, in which type of problem the formulas will come, at the time will come, at the time I will explain the basic formula one by one. Okay, understand? Okay, my students.